Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure to finally be able to upload again. And in this video today I'm going to show you how to stop Windows 11 automatic updates. There will be two ways and I will tell you the cons with the second one. For the first one, you go and search for settings. Then after that, you just go to Windows Update. Then you can click this pause updates right here and you can choose for how long you'd like to pause it. Maximum is 5 weeks here. And that's it, done. You won't get any more updates, or they won't update automatically for 5 weeks. But then later they'll force you to update after this date here. Now there is the second way. You search for run here in the search bar. Then you click on it. Then you type in services.msc. Wait for open. Now you search for Windows Update. Windows Update must be down here. New. Okay, here we go. You change the startup type to disabled. Apply, okay, and done. That's it. Now you are already turning off the automatic updates of the operating system. But the downside to this one is that you would not be able to download something, or at least have some problem downloading applications from Microsoft Store. So now you know how it is and you know what's the downside of the second way. You can try it and apply it at your own risk. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.